Hello guys, welcome back to my another video. If you are new, my name is Daria. I love to unbox everything. I love fashion, I love shopping, I love everything. And today it's Wednesday. I got some stuff and decided to show you. First, before that, if you subscribe me, I become more eager to make more videos. Please, so please subscribe me. First, I want to start from my favorite brand, Bath and Body Works. Oh my god, it's also a favorite brand in Arabic country. Oh, I like this candle. I can recommend you this one, white tea and sage, because it's amazing smell. Oh my god. And I wanna light the candle. Okay, I lit the candle and I'm gonna leave it here. Oh my god, looks very nice and amazing smell. I love it too much. Anyway, okay, the next item is from Zara Home. I got it before, but I want to use it now. And I got 4 pieces. 2, 3, and 4. The last one. Oh my god, look how beautiful it is. I love it. It's I think it's modern and classic because it's always beautiful. And look inside. Design is inside, not outside, as you see. And it was not expensive. I think almost $5, and it has another model. I love that one, and I will buy it because match with this. That one is wine glass, and look, I love it. I'm so happy. The next item is from Next. It also the last item, and it had a good sale. I got one short. Look at the color. I love the color, and it comes with 4 pockets in one short. I love it. And I got this cute. Look the quality. It's close up. I love this brand because they have best quality for kids. And look, it comes with a bow tie and short, and look this one. Look at dinosaurs. Yes, my son, when he saw this, he said, "Mom, how I am lucky. I can find everything in dino." Because he likes everything in dino, and he's so happy. It's a little smaller than him because he's 9 years old, but anyway, that's okay. because it's only for a wedding, my sister's wedding. I can show you in bag. Look. And this one is back. I love the quality, really. It's inside. Two pockets in front. Okay, guys. Okay, guys, now I'm gonna make my lunch and let's go. And look at my plants. I love them. It's new leaf, and this one also has new leaf. It always has new leaves. Look, this one, and this new. I love them. And my washing machine is here because we didn't have place for it, and we leave it here because it's new and it's very big. Okay, look at the sky, it's very clean. Oh my god, yesterday was heavy rainy and terrible windy. I can show you a short video of yesterday's rain.